How to make your piano play silently. Here's a neat gadget you can get retrofitted to any piano. And if I push a lever in underneath here, completely silent. Ideal for those situations where your partner wants to watch the TV and you don't want to disturb her with your endless piano practice. As you can see, the hammers don't quite hit the strings. This is the hardware kit that's required, and this is the Adsilent box that's fitted under the front of the piano, and the standard power supply that is hidden somewhere in the back of the piano. This is the back of the box. Weirdly, there's a line in for some reason. The side of the box has a USB-C for your MIDI connection to a computer. And on the front of the box, you've got the push on-off switch with the indicator LED, volume control, and the two 3.5mm jack sockets for your headphones. The lever to disable the keyboard is like a bike brake cable. You push it forward and backwards like so. To operate the unit, you literally just switch on, push the lever back and put on your headphones. So what else can you do with the Adsilent? Well, if you pull the unit forward, it reveals 4 control buttons, and these perform various functions. And I've just connected an external speaker so you can hear what's coming out through the headphones. If you press and hold the note button and a key on the keyboard, you can select one of 87 different instruments. So, for instance, this is synth strings. Or you can have marimba. And there's a metronome so you can keep everything in time. And interestingly, there's a record and playback feature where you can record up to 10,000 notes. So press record. Press record again to stop. Press play and you can play along. Of course, things become a lot easier if you just download the Adsilent 2 app and run that up. First you select Bluetooth, select device and click OK. From the home screen you can directly select your instrument, for instance percussive organ or electric piano. The metronome screen just allows you to set a speed for your metronome and play along with it. The record and play screen gives you 20 memories where you can record your compositions. I'll just play from number 1. The demo screen allows you to select one of 21 fixed songs like the famous Fur Elise. The settings screen has no end of stuff that you can play around with. There are also various effects you can add to your playing, like reverb, chorus. There's a bit of equalization, and you can even transpose the keyboard, so if you want to sing along, you can do. So there are some of the things you can do with the Adsilent 2 silent piano system.